Hello, my dear friends. Anyone is in live? Is anyone is in live? Hello, hello, my dear friends. Is anyone is in live? If anyone is in live, just say me hi. If anyone is in the live, just say me hi. Good evening, Ahan. Good evening. If anyone is in the live, just say me hi. Good evening, Kirtana. Good evening. Still anyone? Still anyone is in the live? Okay. Now, my dear friends, the one who is in the live, just say me hi so that I can start the lecture. See, my dear friends, this is the advanced session. Now we are having the single correct, we are having the matrix matching, we are having the integer type question, we are having the single correct answer. So for the each question, I will give you approx 2 to approx 3 minutes for the each question. Okay, because the length of the reactions we are having. Now for that lengthy of the reactions, if you know the answer, just to say me hi, I mean give me the answer. If not, just to give me the question mark. Okay, right? Now, we'll go move with the first question. Now, what is the answer for the first question? I hope the video and the audio is clear. I hope the video and the audio is clear. I hope the video and the audio is clear for everyone. Once if you say me hi, I mean like once you say me that whether the video and audio is clear or not. Hello Pranit, hello. Hi, good evening. Now say me whether the video and audio is clear. Whether the video and audio is clear. Yes, clear. Right. Now say me the answer for the first question. What is the answer for the first one? What is the answer for the first one? Should I enlarge the options? Better I will enlarge the options. What is the answer for the first question? What is the answer for the first one? My dear friends, if you know the answer, you can say. If not, give me the question mark. Okay, for the each question I will give you the 3 minutes. I will wait for the 3 minutes. Then after that I will explain. See, the answer was given by Ahan, and as well as Praneeth has given the answer is C. But once again you cross check. Once again you cross check. My dear friends, once again you cross check once. Now the answer we will get only the answer for this question is B, not the no, answer is C, answer is B, not the C, not the D, answer is B. See, my dear friends, you have to be very careful here. Answer is B. See, now the first option what we are having, the first option we are having, this is which one? This is a bulky base, right? Tertiary butoxide. Tertiary butoxide is a bulky base, we know. Tertiary butoxide upon which one? Tertiary butoxide upon 3 degree alkali halide, readily E2 will be takes place. Readily E2 will be takes place. How the E2 will be readily takes place? Now you can see. Now this tertiary butoxide readily abstract this base or acidic this proton, and the sigma bond will be delocalized, leads to give the which one? One alkene as well as one alcohol. Alkene as well as a alcohol plus NaBr you will get. So for the P we are having the 1 and what you will get 4 as well as 1 you will get 1 and 4. Okay, right. Now we'll see further now option number 2. Now the option number 2 we are having the what? Bulky base. Now this we are having the OMe, right? This is a ether. What we are having? This is a one ether we are having. OMe plus HBr. OMe plus HBr. Here the acid will abstract this H plus. As the OH it will be eliminated because it is giving the 3 degree stable carbocation. Now when it is giving the 3 degree stable carbocation, now the only the product will get the 3 degree alkali or 3 degree bromide plus methyl alcohol you will get. Right? Next one, the third option what we are having? Third option we are having the 3 degree bromide. 3 degree bromide plus base, either this is a sodium methoxide, this is a sodium methoxide, right? Sodium methoxide upon the 3 degree alkali halide, readily it will give you the which one? Alkene. Readily it will give you the alkene. Then bulky base upon 1 degree alkali halide, what it will give? It will give you the what it will give? It will give you the ether. See, the only option we are having, R is 4, S is 3, right? Only B is the answer. I hope it is clear for everyone. 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 Done? Now, right. We'll move to the next question. Now, next question. Now, what is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer for this question? What is the answer? R. R is 3 degree alkali halide, right? 3 degree alkali halide upon any base you will take, you will get the E2 reaction, elimination. This one P and R is same. My dear friend, this P and R is same. This P and R is same. This P and R is same because here the 3 degree alkali halide with any base, either with the bulky base or with the small base, always we will get the elimination product only. Always will get the elimination product only. I hope it is clear, Ahan. Now, next one. This one. Here, what he has given, one carbohydrate and the linkages he is asking. Amylose we will get it as a C1C4. Glucose we will get it as a C1C4. Glycogen we will get it as a C1C4. Amylopeptine we will get the C1C4 as well as C1C6. So the answer is D. Answer is D. Good everyone, good. Now, next one. Yes, this is a one beautiful question. Read the question carefully and try to give me the answer. Don't be in a hurry to give the answer. My dear friend, this is very important. I hope the reaction is clear. I think so. Better I will minimize this one. Once you do the reaction, once you solve the reaction, then after that I will enlarge the which one options. Now what is the answer? What is the answer? Good evening, Abhinay. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Divyans. Good evening. Good evening. Did not understand the question. Is a see what? So read the question carefully. Here you can read the major product obtained from the reaction in the list 2. Major product obtained acetone upon zinc amalgam HCl. You will get the major product. So are the reactants of the named reactions of the list 1. So whatever may be the major products, you will get it in the list 2. These major products are the reactants of this named reactions is asking. Reactants of the named reaction is asking. So what is the answer? Reactants of this named reaction is asking. Kirtana, good, Amma, good. See, now here you can see. Better I will enlarge this one. Better I will make it this small one. Read the question carefully. I said you. That's the reason I said you read the question carefully. That's the reason. Now you see here, first one what he has given, acetophenone. First one he has given acetophenone. This is a acetophenone. Acetophenone upon zinc amalgam HCl. Acetophenone upon zinc amalgam HCl. What it will give? What you will get? Now for the Etard reaction is asking, right? So sorry, we should cross check with the Etard reaction. Etard reaction, for the Etard reaction we need the what? Benzene we need for the, sorry, toluene we need for the which one? Etard reaction. Now the toluene we will get it from where? Elia, once you like, my suggestion for you is that ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ విను, లాస్ట్లో ఒక్కసారి ఇది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నేను క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. ఫ్రమ్ వే టు ప్రిపేర్ ద బెంజిన్. నౌ ఫ్రమ్ ద toluene benzene in the presence of CH3Cl, anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. By that we will get the which one? By that we will get the toluene. Means for the P it is 3. The second one Q. Q is asking the Getterman reaction. The Getterman reaction, now the reactant should be the aniline. Reactant should be the aniline in the presence of NaNO2 HCl, NaNA2, that HCl 273 278 Kelvin, it will be converted into the benzene diazonium chloride. After converting into the benzene diazonium chloride, if you convert into the H2O, you will get the phenol. You will get the phenol. Now this phenol in the presence of HCN plus HCl in the presence of AlCl3, it will be converted into the what? Here the CH triple bond NH. Upon hydrolysis, what is the option? Upon hydrolysis, you will get it as a salicyliate. Upon hydrolysis, salicyliate. Right? Now this option will be in the which one? Option number 4. Getterman reaction. Option number 4. Q is option number 4. Next one, Getterman-Koch reaction. Getterman-Koch reaction, what is the reagent? Getterman-Koch reaction, we should require the aldehyde. For the aldehyde, now phenol in the presence of Zn, and if you heat, you will get it as a benzene. Benzene in the presence of CO plus HCl, in the presence of AlCl3, you will get the what? You will get the benzaldehyde. Right? Next one, last one, Rosenman reduction. What we need for the Rosenman reduction also, we require the benzaldehyde. Now from the benzaldehyde, toluene in the presence of KMnO4, you will convert it into the acid chloride plus upon Lindlar's catalyst, it will convert it into the benzaldehyde. Yes, this is toluene in the presence of KMnO4 or base. Second reagent, he has given the thionyl chloride. First it will be converted into the benzoic acid. After it will be converted into the, my dear friends, don't discuss. My dear Captain America, you have, don't bull anyone. Okay. Now this upon in the presence of H2PD BaSO4 Lindlar's catalyst, it will be converted into the aldehyde, benzaldehyde. Now you have to cross check this one. I hope it is clear for everyone. Now the answer is, now the options I will enlarge now. The options is, now according to this one, the option is 4. I hope it is clear. For everyone. List 2 low, in the list 2, whatever the major products you are getting, that are the reactants for the list 1. Okay, done, right. This is one very important question. See, What he has given? When a decapeptide molecular weight and complete hydrolysis gives a glycine, alanine, phenylalanine. So glycine contribution is 47% to the total weight on hydrolysis product. The number of glycine units present in the decapeptide. Now say me the answer. The number of the glycine units present in the decapeptide. The number of the glycine units that present in the decapeptide. The number of the glycine unit that present in the decapeptide. My dear friends, don't be in hurry to give the answer. Be careful. If you know the answer, only say me the answer. If not, if you don't know the answer, just approx 6. Answer is 6. Good, good, good. See, decapeptide upon hydrolysis. Decapeptide upon hydrolysis. What he is giving? Phenylalanine. Here the one decapeptide upon hydrolysis to give the glycine plus alanine plus phenylalanine, right? This total molecular weight is 796, and decapeptide 9 moles of hydrolysis you will get at the product side. Then 9 into 18 if you do, 9 into 18 if you do, you will get the total molecular weight. This total molecular weight, in this total molecular weight, glycine contribution is 47%. How much the glycine contribution it is there? The total molecular weight approx you will get it as a 958. In this 958, the glycine contribution is how much? 47 by 100 into 958 if you do, the glycine contribution you will get approx 450. 450. Now here the molecular weight of the glycine they have given. If you divide it by its molecular weight, you will get approx 6. You will get 6 glycine units are there. Approx you will get 6 glycine units are there in the decapeptide. Clear? Water mass you have to add. Water mass also you have to add. Decapeptide in the product side, complete hydrolysis he is saying, right? Complete hydrolysis. Complete hydrolysis means in the water side you have to add the, which one? Right. Oh. Now this is a one very interesting question. Now try to say me the answer. Now what is the answer? What is the answer? I hope the question is clear. The acidic hydrolysis of the ether X shown below is faster when C. 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 Any other? Any other? Rest. More the plus M. See, if the two vinyl groups are replaced by two para-methoxyphenyl. Two para-methoxyphenyl groups, if I was, these phenyl groups are replaced by, if these phenyl groups are replaced by, if two para-methoxy groups, if these are replaced by two para-methoxy in this manner, now this carbocation is more stable. This carbocation is more stable, and it will be what? And it will be the C. My dear friend, it is C. Answer is C. Because this phenyl groups, if it is replaced by the two para-methoxy phenyl groups, now the rate of what? This carbocation stability will be increases. Now the rate of which one? Which one will be increased? The rate of hydrolysis will be happen very fastly, because this leaving group will be eliminated as an acid, and this carbocation will be stabilized by the plus M groups of these phenyl groups, and very fastly it will be happen. Right. Okay. See the each and every option carefully and try to give me the answer. Don't be in hurry to give the answer. Don't be in hurry to give the answer. Just each and every option you try to see the each and every option and give me the answer. See the each and every option carefully and try to give me the answer. And very one happy moment I want to share to you. Within a lesser time, within the 3 months, we have reached the 5,000 subscribers. Now the one who was studying with me, now I was ready to give the more content for you. If you are very serious, in that same way we can go forward, and it will be helpful for your academic success. Within less time we have reached the 5,000 subscribers. Right. Now answer is C. Now this is a 3-degree alkali chloride. Now 3-degree alkali chloride, in the presence of any base, it will readily convert into the E2 elimination. Your success is also, your contribution is also there, my dear friends. My dear friends, if once if you have got good rank in your JEE mains, now one day I will give you the party, and this whatever may be the contribution that I was coming, or that it may get from the YouTube also, that I will keep it to you only for your academic success. Right. Now 3-degree alkali chloride, now upon the base will readily convert into the what? It will be readily convert into the which one? It will be readily convert into the E2, and it will convert into the alkene. Next one, this is a strong base and it is a ET. Strong base upon the ether, if you get, it should be there react with the 1-degree alkali halide. Right. Then upon this one, a Markovnikov rule, but no rearrangement, it should be the oxymercuration, demercuration. Now it is getting the anti-Markovnikov rule, it is which one? Hydroboration. Then the answer should be P should be 2, Q should be 3, R should be 1, S should be 4. Answer is A. Answer is A. Answer is A. My dear friends, answer is A. Not the C. The one who has said the C, just you cross check. My dear friend, the answer is A. See, 3-degree alkali halide, in the presence of any base, it will be converted into E2. Now this one is a which one? This one is a bulky base. Bulky base upon the 1-degree alkali halide, it will be converted into the ether. Right. Then this one is a oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration, My dear friend, whatever the leftover topic of the chemical bonding, I will finish by Sunday. Right? Next one. This is also one very interesting, my dear friends, this is, my dear friend, this is also very interesting question. Now, see the each and option carefully. Better I will enlarge the options. I will shift it here. I hope the options are clear for you. I hope the options are clear for you and the reaction reagents are also clear. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for everyone. Should I write or is it clear? Should I enlarge or is the options are clear? Should I enlarge? Better first thing what I will do, I will copy this the one thing. First thing I will minimize this one. So after that I will enlarge. Now is it clear? Now should I enlarge the options? Actually these are now see the options here. See the options. My dear friends, this is a reagent, that is a reaction, and these are the options. Try to write it in your notes. Try to write it in your notes. Better. It is better to write it in your notes. I hope it is clear. These are the options. These are the options. Now see the options. Answer is A. Someone is saying A. Okay. Now see the question. Now this is a question. Kirtana has given the answer is B. Ama answer is B only. Answer is B. But I need, this is which reaction? I need, this is a which reaction? Option A is the which reaction? First one is the aldol condensation. Good. Good, Ahan. Good. First one is the aldol condensation. Aldol condensation, we know dehydration will be happen, as well as nucleophilic. Another mole, second mole will be undergoes the nucleophilic. and a carbanion intermediate we will get. So 3 will be happen in the first one, and this is a aldol condensation. So aldol condensation. Second one we are having the, what we are having the second one? Now the second one we are having the nucleophilic addition reaction, right? Nucleophilic addition reaction will be happened. Then after that nucleophilic substitution as well as the nucleophilic attack. Now my dear friends, if you are very serious, obviously you will get. Now this one will give you the nucleophilic substitution as well as the nucleophilic addition. Next one in the option C, nucleophilic addition, because nucleophilic addition as well as the dehydration. In the D, what it will happen? The D, intramolecular dehydration. I hope it is clear for everyone. B is correct. Should I write the products? Should I write the products for each and everyone? My dear friend, what you want to ask? Now we'll move to the next question. I hope it is clear. This question, it is clear, or should I explain? Should I explain with the products, or should I move to the next question? Should I move to the next question? My dear friend, should I move to the next question, or should I explain, or should I move to the next question? You will do on your own. Okay, better I will explain. It is very, very important. Better let me explain. First one is a aldol, right? First one is a aldol condensation. Okay, then better. We are having the less time, so we'll do the n number. Next question is Irana. Now what is the question he has given? The question he has given, he is asking PQRS were separately subjected to the, this is option A, this is option B, this is option C, this is option D. So here this is a P, this is a Q, this is a S, this is a P, this is a Q, this is a S, this is a P, this is a Q, and this is a S. This is a P, this is a Q, and this is a S. So they were, P is separately subjected to the nitric acid, Q is separately subjected to the nitric acid, S is separately subjected to the nitric acid. Which among the following will be formed? 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 Different in each. P, Q, R separately they have subjected to the nitration. Separately they have nitrated. Directly product he has given. Product icheshindu. So how to find the major one? Ayya, my dear friend, what already product icheshindu. Which one is the original compound? You have to identify. Product icheshinadu akkada. Products icheshinadu. According to the product, original compound ఏది అని find చేయాలి. My dear friend, if you are not having capability, then you can leave. Why you are seeing the advanced class? अगर आपको आईआईटी पे कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है तो अब चल सकते इधर क्लास से बाहर। This is especially for the one who is having the capability for the advance. My dear friends, I hope it is clear. Should I explain? Are you getting any confusion? See, you guess. See, you guess. Okay. Bye, my dear. Bye. Now, see, you guess. Should I explain? Should I explain or will you try? My dear friends, C and D are not same. Oh, C and D are same. Correct, correct, correct. C and D are same only. Yes, yes. C and D are same. Yes, yes. Answer is C or D. C and D both. Actually, C and D are same. Both are correct only. Both are correct. See, my dear friends, first one he has given Venkatesh. My dear friend, be focused to the class. If you want to ask anything, we can discuss it later. Now we are having the OH, and at the para position we are having the which one? Benzoic acid. Now if suppose any dye substituted, if they have given electrophilic substitution reaction will be happen according to the which one? According to the plus M effect group, right? If the dye substituted, if they have given to the benzene, now the plus M group, if it is added, now at the ortho positions, what ortho positions electrophilic will be added. Now in the C, at the ortho position electrophile has been added. Then next one they have given one CH3, one CH3 and one OCH3. Now this is a more plus M group, right? If the two plus M groups are given, the one which is having the high plus M effect, according to that one the product will be added. Now you see, according to the OCH3 the product is added here. Then here you can see this is a minus M group. Now this oxygen OH is a plus M group. Then according to the plus M group, electrophile will go and attack. So the option C and D is correct. Option C and D are correct because the both our options are having the same. So option D and C are correct. Clear that dye substituted benzenes are given. Then if the dye substituted benzene, now according to the plus M group you have to add the electrophile, right? Right. Venkatesh, I was the lecturer of PW before, not now. Right. Now, next one. This is multi-correct now. Multi-correct. This is multi-correct answer. Multi-correct. Multi-correct. Yes. Now, what is the answer for this question? This is a multi-correct. This is a multi-correct. Try to give me the answer. A, C, D. Oxidation of glucose with bromine water gives glutamic acid. Why not? Why not B? My dear friends, why not B? Why only ACD? Why not? Why not? Why not B? My dear friend, glucose will be react with bromine water. Glucose will react with bromine water. Why not? It will not react. See, glucose will have the free aldehyde group, right? Free aldehyde group, it will be there. Now this free aldehyde group will be reacted. Glucose will react with bromine water. It will react. Why it will not react? Why it will not react? It will react. What is the answer? It will react. Here glucose, when it is reacted with the bromine water, it will give the gluconic acid. It will give the gluconic acid. Means that aldehyde group which it is there, that aldehyde group which it is present on the glucose, it will be converted into the carboxylic acid. Gluconic acid. Yes, gluconic acid. So the answer is A, C and D. A, C, D. That it will give the gluconic acid. Gluconic acid. So two 6-membered cyclic amiacetal formed by the D-glucose are called as the anomer. That is correct. Monosaccharides cannot be hydrolyzed because monosaccharide is the least one. Monosaccharide itself is the least one. Still that least one cannot be further hydrolyzed. Then hydrolysis of the sucrose, dextrorotatory glucose and the levorotatory fructose. This is correct. So answer A, C and D. A, C and D is the correct. A, C and D is correct. Right. Now next one. This is also one multi-correct question. Multi-correct only. Multi-correct. Now cross check the each and every option carefully and try to give the answer. My dear, timetable I will post it tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I am which chapter I have to start. That what I was thinking. Now the timetable I will post. Timetable I will post. My dear friend, I think so. This is not the multi-correct answer. Single correct only. The timetable I will post it in the community tab, or you can cross check in the post. In the post tab you can cross check. You can the timetable of the next week I will post. This is single correct only, not multi correct. Tertiary alcohol H upon catalyzed dehydration gives the product 1. Post analysis 1 leads to the compound JKL. What are the products you will get? The compound H is formed by the reaction. Okay, Amma, fine. I will post the timetable daily. Based on that, we can have the classes. One is One is saying A, one is saying B. He is asking from the what is asking the structure of the compounds J, K, L, M, J, K, L respectively are. J, K, L. J, K, L respectively are. The compound J, K, L respectively are. J, K, L respectively are. One is saying A, one is saying C. One is saying A, one is saying C. Now the next week I'm going to start with the next week I'm going to start with the coordination chemistry, D and F coordination chemistry that I was going to start. So after the completion of the inorganic I will start the physical. After the completion of the physical, again the first year topics will be start. First year topics, again the revision program will be start. What is the answer you got, my dear friends? The answer is D, not A, not B, not C. The answer is D. A tertiary alcohol H upon acid hydrolysis catalyzed. C, first one, the first he has given the first one, this one upon, what is asking, this one upon ozonolysis. Just if you break this bond, what it will convert? It will be converted into the benzaldehyde, right? Benzaldehyde, and it will be converted into the which one? Acetophenone. It will be converted into the acetophenone. One, it will give you the benzaldehyde. One, it will be converted into the acetophenone, right? This is a I. Let's suppose this is a acetophenone is a K, and benzaldehyde is a which one? J. Now this J, benzaldehyde upon Cannizzaro reaction, benzaldehyde upon the Cannizzaro reaction, what it will give? It will give you the alcohol. It will give you the alcohol. That compound is M. That compound is M. Now this is J. J upon, it will give you the alcohol as well as one salt of carboxylic acid it will give. One salt of carboxylic acid it will give. Right? After the salt of carboxylic acid, now this K upon aldol condensation, what it will do? This K upon aldol condensation, this K upon aldol condensation, this K upon aldol condensation, what it will give? It will give the C, CH3, double bond CH, C double bond O, PH, right? This is M, this is K. So only the deconversion will give you, only the deconversion based upon this hydrolysis. First J and K. C, from the hydrocarbons to carbonyl compounds they have mixed the question. In this manner they will stress the questions. You have to be very careful. You should not be in hurry to give the answers. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear for everyone. I hope it is clear for everyone. No, first I will teach the lesson. I mean, 1 week I will teach the lesson. Then after that, every Friday we are going to take the question session. How come M and I are same? Where the M and I are same? Where the M and I are same? No, no, no. So this is not I. Sorry, sorry, sorry. This is not the I. Sorry, this is not the I. How come M and I are same? What you are getting? See, a tertiary alcohol H upon acid hydrolysis. You read the Pranit. You are not reading the statement. Here the statement he has provided very. See in this you have to read this statement very carefully. If you read this statement, you will get the answer. Okay. If you read this statement clearly, you will get the answer. Just you are seeing the reactant only, I think so, and you are doing the answer. Just you read this statement also which they have given, you will get the answer. Okay. Right. Next one. This is also one very important concept question. This is multi-correct. My dear friend, this is multi-correct. This is a multi-correct. This is multi-correct question. This is multi-correct question. Multi-correct question, my dear friends. What is the answer you will get? B and C. My dear friends, are you doing or you are searching somewhere else? Or you are searching in any chat GPT or you are searching in any chat GPT and you are giving the answer. Okay, now I will twist the question. Now you have to say me the answer. You are saying the answer is one is giving ABC. Okay, R compound is decarboxylation. Okay, R is not the alkyne. Okay, you can eliminate like that. Okay, fine. Then okay, you have eliminated the D option like that. Now the P, how you have justified that it is P is not optically inactive? Now how you have justified that P is optically inactive? P is primary alcohol because it is ester. Then ester what it will give? How many alcohols you will get it in the P? How many alcohols you will get it in the P? How many alcohols you will get it in the P? My question is how many alcohols you will get it in the P? No, 2 alcohols you will get it in the P. See, this is a lactim. This one we call it as a ester and we call it as a lactim. You will get it as a 2 OH groups. Here the 2 OH groups you will get. This upon lithium aluminum hydride you will get the 2 OH groups, not one OH group. My dear friends, you have to be very careful. You will get the 2 OH groups in this manner. Right? Now the 2 OH groups you will get, not one. 2 after the 2 OH groups, this one is a which one? H2SO4 at 443 degree Kelvin. What you will get? You will get the alkene. Now yes, you will get the alkene. Yes, what you will get? You will get the alkene in this manner. Yes, you will get alkene. Now yes, if it is a alkene obviously it will give the Bayer's test. It will be broken out. First from the lithium aluminum hydride, H minus, it will go and attack here, and this bond will be shifted toward the oxygen and it will be broken out. You have to be very careful with this one. Ester upon lithium aluminum hydride, 2 alcohols you will get here. It will be broken. One is single bond and one is double bond. What one is single bond and one is double bond? You are asking how the mechanism it will be formed, you are asking, or what you are asking, my dear friend? I was not getting. How mechanism you are asking, or what? What you are asking? Now here it will give you the 2 alcohols. Here this 2 alcohols upon next one. This one is a Jones reagent. Not like ozonolysis. This is lithium aluminum hydride. Here it will the hydrogen, it will array. Now it is not like the hydrolysis, but wait for a few minutes, my dear friend. It is getting somewhat. No, one is outside the ring, but actually it is lactim. This lactomes upon lithium aluminum hydride, one it will be 2 alcohols you will get. The mechanism, no need of remembering the mechanism because it is having the big lengthy mechanism. That big lengthy mechanism, it will make you confused. So this ester upon lithium aluminum hydride, now it will give you the 2 alcohols. 2 alcohol upon dehydration, it will give you the alkene. Alkene, yes, it will be test for the Bayer's test. Then after that, this is a Jones reagent. What alcohol? It will be converted into the carboxylic acids. 2 carboxylic acids you will get. 2 carboxylic acid upon last one, 2 carboxylic acids upon dehydration reaction. 2 carboxylic acid dehydration reaction, it will be converted into the which one? Alkane. So Q will give you the effervescence. You have to be very careful with this one. Aqueous sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is used to test for the carboxylic acid. Sodium bicarbonate is used to test for the which one? Sodium bicarbonate is used to test for the. Okay, my dear friend, these are advanced question. NCERT level may or may not be sufficient. This is also now this is the one single correct answer. Now send me the answer. I hope it is clear for everyone. These options are clear. What is asking? What are the major products of Q, R and S? What are the major products that you will be obtained in Q, R and S? What are the major products that you will be obtained in Q and R and S? What are the major products you will get it in the Q, R and S? Here you can see, here you will get the 2 carboxylic acid in this manner. Now be fast. Better I will hide my camera so that I will turn off my camera so that the options will be visible for you. Now send me the answer. Styrene upon B2H6 NaOH H2O2. What is the answer? Okay. You can try. Answer is getting between B and D. It is single correct only, not multi correct. Okay, I will give you the option. A, this is B, this is C, this is D. One is A, one is B, one is C and one is D. What is the answer? Now fix the answer and say me the fix the answer and say me. Fix the answer and say me. Fix the one option and say me. You are getting or not? You are going with B. Bhautik, your answer? Any other? Any other who are in the live? You got until S. Then R product confused. Still any other is in the still any other Still any other answers you are trying to give? Answer is C, not B, not D. Answer is C. Wait, I will explain. I will explain. Now listen. Here the first one, the styrene, right? First one is a styrene. Now styrene, now this is a styrene, we know, right? Styrene upon B2H6 and the NaOH and H2O2, we know that it will be converted into the alcohol, right? It will be converted into the alcohol. This is a P, right? Right? Next, this upon Cr2O3 Jones reagent H2SO4, it will be converted into the which one? It will be converted into the carboxylic acid in this manner. Here one carbon is there, here one carbon and one carboxylic acid, it will be converted. It will be converted into the carboxylic acid, right? This carboxylic acid upon Cl2 red phosphorus H2O, this one will be converted into the acid chloride in this manner. What? This one will be converted into the Cl, CH, C double bond O, H. This is HVZ reaction. This is HVZ reaction. This is Q. This is Q. Right? Again the P upon thionyl chloride. This P upon thionyl chloride, what you will get? pH, better you will write in this manner, CH2. P upon thionyl chloride, what you will get? pH, CH2, CH2, Cl. Right? This upon NaCN, what you will get? Cyanide you will get. This pH, CH2, CH2, Cl upon NaCN, you will get pH, CH2, CH2, Cn. Right? This upon hydrolysis, this upon complete hydrolysis, you will get the carboxylic acid again, CH2, CH2, COOH. This upon concentrated H2SO4, this will be converted into the phenyl benzene. Now the carbon chain, it will be converted in this manner. Dehydration reaction will be happen. So the answer is C. One will be the acid chloride in this manner. Oh sorry, this is HZ reaction. I wrote the product wrong. Different. Q will not be in this manner. Q will be different. Q will be like this. HVZ reaction, right? Yeah. HVZ reaction. Q will be now Q will be in this manner. This is HVZ reaction. My dear friends, you have to be very careful. This is HVZ. Is it clear? I hope it is clear for everyone. Right. What is the answer? What is the answer for this question? D. Morning itself. Morning itself I said. Answer is D. This one red phosphorus. This is red phosphorus HI. It will give you the cyclohexane. Cyclohexane in the presence of Cr2O3 at high temperature, it will be converted into the what? It will be converted into the benzene. It will be converted into the benzene. After benzene, in the Cl2 excess, in the presence of H nu, it will get the lindane. This one we call it as a lindane. Okay, we can call it as the gamexane as well as the lindane also. Right. Now, see the options carefully and try to give me the answer. Benzene only you will get. N-hexane upon hydrolysis, it will give you the benzene only, right? Identify the essential amino acids from the below. Essential amino acids from the below. Identify the essential amino acids from the below. Identify the essential amino acids from the below. Answer is A, C, D. Yes, valine, lysine, threonine. So answer is A. Answer is A. VIP all. Yes. VIP all. Good. Now VIP all. Now I will write one question. Now you have to say me the answer so that I get to know that you will have some idea based on this one. Here I will write one compound. You have to say me PHOH. First one. Second one PHCl. Third one PHNO2. Fourth one PHCH3. Fifth one PHN Me3. Sixth one PH C double bond O CH3. Acetanilide. Next one seventh D. Eighth one benzoic acid. Ninth one benzaldehyde. 10th one acetophenol. Okay, which among out of the 10 less reactive than benzene towards nitration. How many are less reactive than benzene towards nitration? This is benzene only, but deuterium is attached. Deuterobenzene, benzene type only, but bonds are deuterium. Instead of hydrogen, deuterium. Less reactive than the my dear friend, don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Better you see the question carefully. I just asked less reactive than the benzene towards the nitration. Less reactive than the benzene towards the nitration. Less reactive than the benzene. How many are less reactive than the benzene towards nitration? So this is more reactive than the benzene. This is less reactive. This is less reactive. This is more reactive. This is less reactive. This is more reactive. Now this is less reactive. This is less reactive. This is less reactive. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Still any other answers you will get? Still are there any other answers you will get? See, it will not go. See, this is more reactive than benzene. This is more reactive than benzene. And seventh one is also, my dear friends, seventh one is also you have to cross check. Higher bond strength than the hydrogen. Seventh one also less reactive than the benzene. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So sixth one will not give. Sixth one, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 is the answer. Total 7 is the answer. Total 7 is the answer. Yes. Now I will end the lecture here. Almost whatever the questions I brought, it has almost completed. We'll see you tomorrow. My dear friends, I hope it is clear for you. Anything, anyone they want to ask anything? Okay, I just turn off my camera. Wait, let me turn on. Now. Okay. Now. Okay, my dear friends, and your support are also there for this to me to achieve here. Your support is also there. Okay, fine, Amma. Okay, be focused to the tomorrow's exam. Like, don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Cross check the each and every option. Okay. This is toluene. This is toluene. Toluene is more reactive than the benzene. Toluene is more reactive than the benzene. Okay, my dear friends, I was ending the live viewer. Now you can, all the best for your tomorrow's exam. Be focused to the each and every option. Don't be in a hurry to give the answer. Okay, right? Okay. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye, my dear friends. See you tomorrow.